France's Defense Procurement Agency has signed a contract with Dassault Aviation to supply new Dassault Rafale fighter jets to the French Air and Space Forces. This was announced by the manufacturing company on its official website. We are talking about 42 fighter jets. Unfortunately, the price and delivery dates of the aircraft are not yet available. The Dassault Rafale is a fourth-generation French multi-role fighter aircraft. It is capable of supersonic cruising speed. The aircraft made its first flight in 1986. Since 2000, it began to be operated by the French Air Force and Navy. Now Dassault Rafale is also in service with Egypt, India, Greece, and Croatia.